Good morning, everyone. This is Thursday, October 28th. I'm Marv Eisen. Today, I want to do a little refresher video, especially for those of you who are new to trading and who are picking up on technical analysis and seeing how easy it is. Not so fast. Technical analysis talks a lot about signals that the market provides us through price action that give us an indication of where prices are going to go in the immediate future. Now I have a chart here of Wednesday, October 27th, yesterday, and I drew a circle, an oval, around this signal here on a 5-minute candle. These are 5-minute candles of the Micro E-mini. And this signal is one of the most well-known. If you've done trading for any amount of time at all, you recognize it as a hammer. And hammers appear typically at the bottom of a downtrend where prices are reversing, and that's why it's a widely recognized signal. Now this is a 5-minute candle. Now let's look at this chart in a 3-minute time frame. Here's the same signal in a 3-minute time frame, and we can see it still looks like a hammer with a reversal, as we can see, immediately following. And that's why the hammer is a widely recognized signal and one of the first ones that new traders learn. Now I want to look at a hammer on another day. I'm going to go back to the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to look at October 25th because on October 25th we have another hammer that formed. Interestingly enough, it was at the open, just after the open of the day, same as what occurred on the previous candle. Now here's the hammer as it looks on a 5-minute candle, and pretty obvious that it looks like a hammer, right? With the prices reversing and to the upside immediately afterwards. But let's look at this hammer now on a 3-minute time frame. Here's 3 minutes. Here's 3 minutes. Go back to October 25th because the chart shifts. 26th, 25th, and here we are on a 3-minute time frame. This is the same hammer on October 25th that we saw on 5 minutes. But where's the hammer? It's not here. Well, this is why it's important to look at charts in different time frames to recognize these reversal signals. That's why technical analysis chart reading is not so easy, because what looks like a hammer in one time frame, where is it? It's still here, but because of the time frame, it's not as obvious. Again, here's the 3-minute time frame, the hammer. Let me go back to the 5-minute time frame. And here it is on the 5-minute time frame. So this is why technical analysis is not as simple as simply finding a signal on a chart and recognizing it, because sometimes it's not recognizable. Anyway, this is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. If you are looking for some training on trading the E-minis and Micro E-minis, check out my course at timelessdollar.com. You'll learn a lot and you'll be a better trader for it. So again, timelessdollar.com. Thanks for watching. Thursday, October 28th. You have a great day.